Hey you guys, welcome to Design with me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I designed, customized, bedazzled my nails. I have a few things here that you'll be needing if you would like to recreate this nail design. The things you'll be needing is glitter shakers. I bought this from Walmart. Also a wooden nail stick. The line that I'll be using is Sensationail. From that line I'll be using gel base and top coat, a gel cleanser, and their LED. These are from Walmart and I love it because there's just so many different colors, different shapes and designs of these type of glitter and sequences. My nails are already painted in the color called Midnight Black from Sensationail. So I just grabbed my gel polish and I'm prepping my nail so that the glitter has something to adhere to. So I'm grabbing my wooden stick and picking up a piece of glitter at a time. And pretty much what you're gonna see is what I'm doing is I'm pretty much making like a checkered design. So I start with the first row, make sure that I like the spacing in it. And then next I'm gonna be grabbing some more glitter to put on the second line, but of course they're gonna be in between those glitters that have already been placed in the first line. And then so on and so forth with the third and fourth and fifth line. And as you can see here, oops, some of them move. So because you're not curing the gel polish just yet, you gotta make sure you go back and check over your nail to make sure that none of the glitter has moved around or went misplaced. So now I just grabbed a different colored glitter and I'm doing the exact same pattern of the checkered board and I'm placing it in the last two rows. After I'm finished with my nail design, I place that finger right under the LED to cure for 30 seconds. Now I go to my opposite hand and I'm prepping my nail with the base coat. And for this nail, I'm gonna do a totally different design. I'm still gonna use the first two same glitter colors that I used on my opposite nail. And now I'm adding a different color. This color has an iridescent aqua feel to it. And what I love about it is when you place it down on the nail, then it gives more of a green hue. Now I'll be grabbing the gold glitter and practically making a square around the aqua glitter. Now I'm grabbing the blue glitter and I'm placing them in between the small gold glitters. I'm grabbing two more pieces of glitter and I'm placing them in a row where the middle glitter is. Now I'm grabbing the aqua color glitter and I am placing it on the opposite end of the blue glitter, so pretty much in an angle to the center aqua color glitter. I'm grabbing two more pieces of the gold glitter and I'm putting them on the opposite sides of where the first glitters were placed. This nail design kind of gives me an indie nail vibe. So now going to my third nail, I prep my nail with the gel polish. So now what I'm doing with this nail design, I'm only using the gold glitter. So what I do is I grab 5 pieces of glitter. I know it shows 4, but I eventually then put 5. So just start off with 5 pieces of glitter in a row in the middle of your nail. So what I first do is the glitter at the very top, I grab a second piece of glitter and I put it kind of angled to it from the top right to the bottom left. I'm not going to go all the way down, but I'm going to make it an angle going down. And then on the second piece of glitter on the first row that I made, I'm going to grab another piece of glitter and then angle it from the top left to the bottom right. And then I'm going to keep on doing that as I go down on each opposite side. Then of course you cure your nail to have everything stay in place. Now on my index finger, I am going to be doing a really cute design. This is my favorite design. So I'm grabbing that aqua color, and honestly I love this glitter because it has an hexagon shape on it, and honestly what I just kept on thinking was beehive. So this nail design is honestly inspired by beehive. I'm not really sure if there's an explanation on how I'm creating this. Just keep on watching on how I create it. One thing I do recommend is if you're gonna have any pieces of the glitter sticking off of your nail, I would recommend to cut it before I had this struggle afterwards, after my nails were done, of the glitter coming up. But I would just recommend that you cut your glitter with a pair of scissors before you put it on, so you don't have any pieces of glitter sticking out of your nail. Then I cure my nail. Now I'm prepping my pinky nail on my right hand. So what I'm doing is I'm only using the blue glitter, and pretty much I'm gonna be making a triangle. So in this one you'll see me using a pair of scissors so that I can cut and make sure that the glitter can fit on my nail, because I am gonna have to make smaller pieces of this blue glitter so that I can fill up this triangle area so it doesn't have to be so gappy. So now I'm curing my nail. All right, the final steps are here. So now I have my top coat gel polish, and I am putting him all over my fingers on top of the glitter designs I had just made. And I'm sealing the edges of my nails so that everything will seal in. Now I'm gonna let my nails cure in the LED light for 30 seconds. Alright, the final step is here. So now you're gonna get the gel cleanser and you're going to put it on your lint-free pad, and now you're gonna start wiping your nails that you just cured. And again, this is gonna take off any excess oil that the gel leaves. And we've made it to the end. Here are some bedazzling, splazazzling, radazzling nails. I don't know what's up with azzling, but we made it to the end. These nails are funky, chunky, and they're cute. I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe. I have so much more content planned to come your way. Until next time, my friends.